We do a Dreams and Wishes project. So this started in the pandemic. We had the idea. They're separated from their family, their friends and life as they knew it. So what can we do when it's all over, just to give everyone something and a focus to look forward to? So we said, put your wishes in the jar. We'll do them when we can, as and when. So we've had some spectacular things. We've had a wedding vow renewal. We had one of our ladies go and work in a doggy daycare centre. We've even had the full Monty. It was a wish, it happened, and they're all over 18. Why not? It's a perfect example of the way we at Tiguino are very forward thinking, you know. They are over 18, they are all adults, and they still have choices. One of our gentlemen a few years ago, he wanted to take his favourite carer on a Viking cruise. Well, that wasn't achievable, but he also wanted to be a pirate. So we got our heads together, and I need to make this clear. I might be the activities coordinator, but this is not just me. This one nearly beat us. But then we had the idea to take him to Cardiff, down to the bay, and he could have a go on the aqua bus. So he dressed up like Captain Jack Sparrow and off he went on the aqua bus. And it was just a brilliant, brilliant experience that he was able to share with his family as well. Yeah. We have a keen golfer, and his wish was to play golf. Well, we didn't want to get him one of them silly plastic things that go up and down the corridor. So our maintenance team made him a mini golf, and it's in the garden.
Wow.
So that was his wish,
yeah.
But it's a permanent fixture now.
Yeah.
So we're hoping we can add another piece to it as well.
Yeah.
But
the golf course.
Yeah, it's very important to him. There's nothing that you can't do. That's the thing. If some homes might say, oh, they might be able to do it there, but we can't do it here. Why not? You can just do it in a different way.